What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Adam Snyder and I am the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today what I want to do is I want to show you how you can easily make $98 per day from games. No, you do not even have to play the games. You don't have to be good at games. There's not video games, none of that stuff, right? Those are great. You can make money with video games and playing games and doing all that. However, that's not what I want to show you today. So let's dive into the computer and let me show you exactly how you can make $98 every single day from games. So here we go. Right here is a website called Etsy. Okay, Etsy.com. Anybody can go and sign up and start selling stuff on Etsy.com. I do it. I recommend you do it as well. Now, how can you make $98 per day from games? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Let me show you this. If you go to Etsy.com and you type in printable game, what you're going to see is there's over 200,000 results. And if you scroll down, these are just a bunch of games. Okay, let me give an example. This one right here, Find the Guess Bingo, right? These are all printable. You don't have to make these. You don't have to go and ship anything out. As soon as somebody buys one of these games on Etsy.com, they will have a download link that they can automatically go click the button, download the entire thing. For example, these are the ones I love. Baby shower ones do incredibly well. But look at this. So what happens is they will go and download this this whole thing, and then what they can do is they just print this off on their own paper. Look at this. Okay, these are all the different ones. Let me show you. Okay, look at this. These are all the different products right here. So this one right here, all somebody has to do is print this out on their own computer. How simple is that? And that is just one thing that you can do. One printable item. Okay, that's just one game. Now, there's a lot here. I'm not going to go through every single one, but let me give you some ideas. And then in a minute, I'm going to show you how you can actually create these and start making some money. So what you need to understand about these is it's not just the games that do well. Okay, well, here's a bridal shower game that does really well. A bunch of different ones. Bridal showers do really well. Baby showers do extremely well. And my personal favorite, planners. Planners do extremely well, especially being that a lot of people are going to be at home. A lot of kids are going to be working remotely or going to school remotely. So because of that, they would probably benefit from a planner. I've been doing very well with planners over the entire summer. Hopefully I still do really well, even though I'm showing you this. But there's still so much here. There's so much money to be made just on Etsy alone doing printables. Okay, and that's what I recommend. Just go over here. Just go to Etsy.com, type in printables, hit search, and all these different things can be printed. Okay, little wall art. All you gotta do is print it. That's it. Okay, scroll down a little bit more. Okay, daily responsibility chore list. Again, it's a printable item. Sells for $5.60. Has over 1,800 reviews on it. Here's what I want you to understand. If you sell a product for $4.95, okay, you will make roughly $4.10. You only have to sell one of these every hour of the day in order to make $98 per day. Okay, that's after fees. So yes, there are fees, but again, you can make a lot of money. So again, just go to Etsy.com, click on printables, and you can come up with a bunch of different options and ideas of what you can make. Now, you probably wonder, well, how do I actually make these things? What do I do? Well, here's what I recommend you do. Go to a website. It's a free website called Canva.com. You can see it right here. Once you are on Canva.com, here's what I want you to do. You can make your own designs and do all this stuff, but here's what I do. Okay, I will go down here and I like to go to flyer, and I'll click on flyer. So here's what the flyer is going to look like. You have a bunch of different options. Again, Canva.com is free. You don't have to pay for it. And so you come down here and you pick a design. Now, what I recommend you do is pick something that is simple. For example, like this. Okay, it's a restaurant flyer. I can go ahead and get rid of all of this and change it so that it looks more like, one of these planners or maybe one of these different printables over here, right? It's very easy to do. So let's say I want to go and make something that looks like, here we go, these bridal shower games. Let me find one. Let's say I want to make something like this right here. Okay, what I can easily do on this, okay, is just go over here, delete all this. See, I'm gonna delete that, and I'm gonna go and I'm gonna, let's say, delete that, delete that, delete that, and then just start typing right here. The bridal shower games, right? And then I'm gonna start making it unique. You can go and change a bunch of this stuff. So we can go and delete. There we go. I can come over here, add some text. Let's say I want a different heading. Bridal shower games. Okay, there we go. Take that, raise it up here, center it up a little bit. There we go. Okay, and I just make it unique. Okay, then you can start adding different things. The groom's middle name is, that could be question number 1. The groom's father's or mother's maiden name is, right? And keep going. Let's see, what's another one? Where did the couple meet? Right? Something like that. Then another one could be how long did they wait before they kissed? Right? Something simple like that, right? Just simple bridal shower games. The reason why these work really well is because people buy these things. They don't want to go and go through all the hassle of doing all this stuff. Now, I get it. Right now may not be the best time to do a whole big bridal shower. However, right now is an incredible time to do planners. Right now is an incredible time to do decorations. Right now is an incredible time to do maybe an online or Zoom style game. Because here's what, and this is one of the things that I've been doing lately, is some people, okay, they can't have these big baby showers. They can't have these. So what they do instead is they go, let me get rid of this right here. So instead of these big baby showers, what they do is they have a Zoom baby shower where people will send all their presents and all their gifts to the mother-to-be, and with the person putting on the baby shower, I know this for a fact because I was invited to one, didn't do it, but was invited, and they sent all the stuff. They sent all the little packets, and you get it in the mail, and you see all the different games, and you can play along and do all this stuff. And I guess it'd be fun. It wasn't my thing, but you know, it's something people are doing now. So you just have to be aware of what's going on and kind of get in front of things. All right. So that's what I recommend. Go to Etsy.com. Just go to Printable. Search. I have no internet. No internet. There we go. Still have no internet. Who knows? Anyway, not sure what's going on there. Shows I have internet. Anyway, but that's all you gotta do. Okay? Go to Etsy.com. Go to the Printables. Okay? Find something that you think you can make and create it. It's very easy. And like I said, go to Canva.com. It's free to use. Anybody can do it. If you need help with Canva.com, all you gotta do. Okay? I'm not an expert. You can see right here. It's not great. Okay? But all you gotta do, go to YouTube. You're already here. Type in how to make a pamphlet or a flyer using Canva, and you can get a whole bunch of different options there. So if you have any questions on how you can make $98 per day with games, all you gotta do is ask me down in the comment section below. This is one of the things that I do. I do create different printables for Etsy.com. So if you have questions there, just come back and ask your questions down in the comment section below. Like I said, do me a favor. Okay, go to Etsy.com, go to Canva, and just start doing it, because I guarantee you put up 1, 2, maybe 3 different ideas and printables, one is bound to sell at some point. So just start creating more and more ideas, more and more games, more and more printables, and you will start making more money. So thanks for watching today's video. If you learned something and you enjoyed it, like always, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.